And curiouser, one visitor to Mars is celebrating its birthday in Red Planet time.
The Mars rover has been exploring the fourth rock from the sun for one Martian year now.
Yep, NAZ Today spoke with USGS astrogeologist and scientist Ryan Anderson to tell us more.
With today being the one Martian year anniversary of the Mars rover mission, we checked in with USGS astrogeologist Ryan Anderson for an update on the rover.
So the big news is that the rover has officially been on Mars for one Martian year, which is about 1.75 Earth years, and we're still going strong and doing a lot of good science.
While the weather instrument on Curiosity was broken upon landing, all of the other equipment is expected to last for the rest of the mission.
So the rover's mission is to determine whether Mars was ever habitable. And so early on in the mission, our goal overall in the mission has been to drive to the base of this mountain of layered rocks. But we took a detour early on and went to this place that we call Yellowknife Bay. But when we went down there and we drilled into the rocks, we found that those rocks were deposited in a lake bed, and that it used to be a habitable environment, so we checked that off our list.
According to Anderson, there is much more they can learn from the Curiosity mission by studying the rocks on the surface of Mars.
The nominal mission was one Mars year, but we've been given an extension, and we're hoping to be given a longer extension. We've sort of achieved the main goal, which is find a habitable environment, but now we want to understand how the environment changed, because it's not habitable anymore. And so we want to know, it used to be okay for life, and now it's not. What happened to cause that?
If you are interested in following the Mars rover program, you can do so on NASA's Twitter.
And if you're a little bit jealous of Curiosity getting to spend all that time up in the stars, then one Arizona company is working on making the edge of space your next vacation destination.
That's right. Worldview Enterprises, based out of Tucson, has successfully completed the first scale test of a high-altitude balloon and capsule that is meant to transport tourists to the outer limits of our atmospheres. The balloon broke the world record for the highest parafoil flight, reaching an altitude of 120,000 feet. The company hopes commercial flights will begin in 2016, but it will cost you a pretty penny at $75,000 a ticket.